tutorial is on decorator pattern in Python. So let's say we have a function like this, and if I run this one, obviously it will print this line, but we want to add more features to this function with this modifying this function. So let's say this function is coming from a package. We cannot modify this function. So how to add more features to this function? For that, we can actually create another function and do something, and create a wrapper function and do something, and then we can call this function. So this is how we can do it. This is our wrapper function. We'll then pass this base function to this wrapper function. When we execute this this variable, because it will return as a function, and then when you execute it, it will actually print this line. It will print this line, then it will print this line. So let's say if I run it now, you can see this time is triggered first, and then the base one is triggered. Now we can, instead of writing these two lines, we can actually do like this. At I run it now, nothing is printing because we need to call this function. It's happening as before. So then this line. So Python has these things called decorator. So when you put at in front of this function, so here like you need to pass this function. It will dynamically pass the function beneath this decorator function to this, and then it will go here and it will work as before. So we are the first feature is that we can dynamically add functionality to a function without modifying its existing code. Second is that it's called it allows stacking. So before I go to stacking, I need to say this. Actually, this has a name. If you don't know, it's called syntax sugar, and because it's actually a shortcut, instead of writing this, we just write it like this. So now we'll discuss about the stacking. And stacking, I have created another wrapper function like this. So I haven't changed anything else. So if I run it now, it will be like as before, but we can actually also add another functionality. So if I copy it there, and if I say add this, what happens? So it will first call this wrapper function, that will go to time trigger, and then it will execute this function. So in Python decorator, you can dynamically add more wrapper function top of it, and it will understand that which one to, like, this is the order of running. So this one will run first, then this, and then this, if you write the code like this. So also you can understand that this actually give a another advantage, that there is no dependency. You can have hundreds of other functions. You can add, remove, or whatever you need. So it doesn't depends on like inheritance. It can the parent class, right? But here there is no dependence like this. So it is actually and no dependent design. So this is how the decorator pattern works in Python.